What's the best day of the week? Friday. Not exactly. Maybe Saturday. Almost there, but not quite. Wednesday? Definitely not. For many people, it's payday. Some get paid bi-weekly, others earn daily, and some folks simply never see that money coming in. But that's not what really matters here. What matters is right now. You just got your paycheck and your wallet's full, ready to put that money to work. But hold on a second, people, please. I need you to listen carefully. Let's not repeat the mistakes most people make. If you keep doing what everyone else does, you'll end up exactly where most people end up. And that's not what you want, right? So here are 5 things you should avoid when that paycheck hits your account. First, don't be that person who posts on Instagram or Facebook every time they get paid. You know that guy who posts, "Just closed another one," holding a stack of dollar bills with 100 on top. Doesn't matter if it was $50 or $50,000. As soon as you announce you've got cash, everyone wants to become your best friend and help you blow it all. Hey buddy, I was thinking, how about we go out tonight? Let's do this. Let's show everyone how it's done. You don't want to invest or save that money. That's too boring. They want to see you spend it well, and they want to be part of the party. Don't be like most people. Not everyone needs to know within seconds that you just made 5 grand. Second, you're thinking, how do I turn my $5,000 into $50,000? And then you research what some successful people did and decide to copy them. For example, Fred Smith, founder of FedEx, he needed $24,000 to save his company. He took the last $5,000 from the register, went to Las Vegas, and turned it into $24,000 playing blackjack. Today, he's a billionaire. I'm going to the casino. Of all the stories you could have chosen, it had to be that one. Look, this is one of the rare times I'm going to ask you to do the opposite of what saved a company from bankruptcy. This includes the lottery too. Betting your paycheck on the lottery is like throwing your money in the trash and hoping it multiplies on its own. You have 1 in 175 million chances of winning. Better option, take that money and invest in something that actually generates returns. Third, stop wasting money on useless things. Like that George who bought an $800 umbrella when he was in debt with no steady income. Don't do that. There are necessities, like food and housing. There are wants, like new pants. And there are frivolities, like an expensive umbrella you'll probably never use. Want to buy silly stuff? That's fine, but first make sure you can afford it. Remember, if you can't buy it 5 times, you can't afford to buy it once. Fourth, don't be an impulsive spender. Most people get their paycheck and start burning through it quickly. Damn, the money's gone, and then they wait until next month. Crap, it's gone again. It's like a roller coaster. You get paid and go to fancy restaurants every day. Then the money runs out and you're waiting for the next paycheck. Boom, got paid again. And back to the expensive restaurants. Gone again. Open a spreadsheet, write your income at the top, and list all your expenses below. See where the money's going and compare it to where it should go. If you don't know where your money's going, you can't control anything. Take a deep breath and analyze the numbers. Fifth, ignore pushy salespeople. Look, I used to work in real estate sales. Salespeople work on commission, so they want you to buy the most expensive item. Sorry, the most suitable item possible. It's not because they're bad people. Everyone needs to make a living, but you need to know your limit. When you go to the appliance store and you're looking at the $500 refrigerator that fits your budget, and the salesperson comes over saying, check out this $3,000 one. You only pay $300 down and $100 a month for the next 3 years. Look them in the eye and say, no. When they insist, saying they can lower it to $60 a month and throw in a free gift, stay strong. I know that free gift looks tempting, but trust me, it'll be so much better when you can buy it outright without going into debt. And if you don't want to stay broke, follow this channel and hit that like button. Prosperity will find you. The difference between those who build wealth and those who stay stuck isn't luck, it's knowledge. Every week I drop new videos revealing the secrets that separate the financially free from the financially trapped. Don't let this be just another video you watched and forgot. Subscribe now, because the life-changing information in my next video could be worth thousands to you. Your future self will thank you. Click that subscribe button below before you scroll away.